Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SOFI on September the 7th of this year, when the price of this asset was at exactly $7 mark, as you can see $7.01. And my main assumption at this very point was that with the breakout below this range of support at $7.14 or $7.12, we have to land in the golden pocket range. It is the most probable range of trend reversal, and it is in between $6.77 and $6.85. And from this range, we have to see the trend reversal that might lead to quite substantial gains. And guys, take a look right here. I made my previous video at this very point. We retested the range of support that became the range of resistance, went lower, hit exactly the golden pocket range, and went to the upside. And guys, I told you that you could accumulate your position at this very point, and from the current price, you might be up by almost 14%. And this is another evidence how powerful technical analysis is. And guys, ask yourself honestly, do you need to know more than just technical analysis? And you can see how thorough my predictions are. And by the way, if you want to see my other videos in regards to SOFI, you can find the link on the previous video at the very first, as you can see, SOFI stock previous video. And here you can see that my predictions are extremely accurate. Definitely, no one can win 100% of trades, but my win rate is much higher than 75%, especially on SOFI, especially for the recent couple of months. And guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and let's take a look again on its price section. I have to say that with this movement to the upside, we booked some profits, and if you are still in the position, definitely you could put stop loss slightly above your entry point. This will lead to the profits despite any potential movements of SOFI. But I will show you some crucial levels for SOFI in just several minutes. And for now, let's take a look on the fundamental news. First of all, I want to pay attention to the news section of the Google search results. If you type in Google search bar SOFI stock and switch to news tab folder, you will not find a lot of recent news. All of them are quite outdated, but a couple of them were issued 3 days ago and basically yesterday. Let me show you this article that is titled SOFI Technologies is a multi-bagger stock in the making. And I have to say that this article is quite bullish, and let me show you the summary right here. Conclusion: SOFI has trailed the stock market since 2020 IPO, but a few catalysts forming on the horizon should boost the share price in the coming months. A growing customer base, booming profit margins, and the diversified product line can lead to long-term gains for patient investors. Up 15% in the past month, SOFI shows potential and could eventually become a multi-bagger stock. And guys, as you can see, investors who don't use properly technical analysis, they rely on quite small gains like 15% in the past month, or 15 to 20% for the next several months. But guys, experienced traders can make much more than these numbers, and as you can see, I prove this theory by making these videos. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. Travis published a set of tweets, and he makes these tweets based on the Anthony Noto statements, and let me quote you just several of them. SOFI CEO Anthony Noto explains how to model financial services growth. And here's the direct speech. Within Invest, we are under monetized by about 50% versus if we had a complete suite of products. There is a lot of continued product growth, but also a lot of upside in revenue per product. He also mentioned about two new products that are currently in testing. It is a Cash Coach and SOFI Plus subscription. You can, by the way, listen to this podcast and you can make your own conclusion about this news. On top of that, Anthony Noto said earlier today, we are just getting started. 2025 is going to be a great year. We can really pull away from the rest of the pack in an environment that could be really positive for us overall. And also earlier today he said this. He basically explained SOFI's API advantage relative to competitors and the tough process behind lowering the APY by 10 basis points a few weeks ago. So guys, the full video you can find right here on this link, and Travis makes a very good recap of his entire speech. So I highly suggest you to watch this video in order to make your own conclusion. But let's take a look on the price action again. And before we continue with the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? I have to say that we have a very substantial decrease in its price and we bounced out of the golden pocket range. As you can see, the volume during this bounce is quite substantial. Definitely it is not the highest, for example, as we had back in August 29th of this year, but it is quite substantial. On top of that, guys, for now it is quite difficult to make a proper breakdown of this wave. Because technically we might have, let me show you like this, we might have, this is our first wave, this is our second, and this is our third wave. We have to have ABC correction like this. And if we pull a fib extension tool, and if I pull a fib extension tool from this top to the bottom of the A wave and to the top of the B wave, as you can see, we also had a very good confluence of one-to-one extension. Let me show you that the most probable ratio in between A wave and C wave is 1-to-1, and it was the confluence with the golden pocket range, and that is why, guys, this was the perfect point that I caught to the tick for your long position. But at the same time, we might have, let me show you like this, we potentially might have this ABC correction is only A wave on a slightly bigger scale. We might have B wave to this top and we might have another C wave that will land a bit lower. It is not the most expectable movement, but it is still on the table. And let me show you another quite interesting measurement. If I pull the fib retracement tool from this top to this bottom, take a look right here. We hit exactly another golden pocket range, at this time from the bottom of its movement, and this means this is another potential range of trend reversal. And for those of you who entered your position at this golden pocket range, basically a lot of people should leave their position right here, because it is too risky to hold it to the upside. We still have a chance to break this range and to break even this one, but we have to see a pullback. And that is why, guys, I highly encourage you to put your stop loss on a green territory, somewhere at the range of $7.13, at this slightly below this yellow level, this yellow line. And we might have some kind of consolidation phase right here, and without breakout of this range, we have more chances to see the next leg to the upside that will that will smash this previous swing high at $8.26. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.